Hey everybody, okay, my shipment has arrived. It is iPhone Day and Apple Watch Day. Exciting. We're at about 2:15 in the afternoon, came about 15 minutes ago, UPS. Get out my box opener. There it is, iPhone XS Max, 256 gigabyte, space gray. Beautiful box. I'm excited. Okay, Apple with their wonderful packaging. Just pull a tab, box opens. It's got the bubble. It is a soap bubble, not a planet as most people think. In the box we got a little bit of paperwork there, not much. Oh, and there it is. Feels good in the hand, initial feel. Here's my iPhone X that I took out of the case. You can see it's a little bit, it's got some size on it. Oh man, that is beautiful. Okay, quick look in the box. We have our lightning headphones, USB to lightning cable, and USB power brick. I've got way too many of these. I can never have enough USB to lightning, and I only use those if I forget my AirPods somewhere like I did the other day. So let's get that stuff out of the way, and I want to get my phone started on setup, which is super simple these days. Turn it on. Apple logo, lighten up. Beautiful day in the Northwest here, sitting in the backyard. Got my Cleveland Browns shirt on. They finally won a game last night. Figured I'd dig that out. This is a JCPenney sale bin, probably 1994. Held on to it just in case. I knew there'd be an occasion. I'll wear it again when they win the Super Bowl. Okay, we have initial setup. It is telling us hello in many different languages. Let's swipe up. I'm going to go English, United States, quick starts. So I bring my other phone, which I just did an iCloud backup just to make sure, and it says unlock phone to continue, and then it just pops up setup to continue, connecting. And now I hold my old phone. There's this cool little flowy code here, and I hold it over there, connecting. Enter the passcode of my phone. Super top secret. Setting up your phone, finish on new iPhone. So we'll set those two down for a minute and get to the one that oh man, I am wearing the original, what they refer to as a Series 0 watch. 4.5 years, 3.5 years old, whatever. They've come a long way with the Apple Watch since then, and I am excited for the upgrade. Get all the new features, a bunch of speed, battery life. Don't need that. Okay, this one. Peel. Looks like I've got to activate with T-Mobile. I'll do that later. Again, this is the Series 4 Apple Watch. Silver aluminum case, seashell sport loop. We'll see what we think about the seashell sport loop. So it looks like nifty tabs on the back. And Apple's packaging, amazing. I'll add that to the collection. Let's open up the band first. See what we think. It will work with my original bands. This is the original white band I have, and I bought a couple off Amazon that I like too. The Milanese loop and the leather loop, I believe. It's got there it is. It is hook and loop, the generic term for Velcro-like substances. So we will put that on the watch. I'm liking it. It might be a little bright, but I've heard these are good bands. Okay. What do we got in the box? Hey, good, great. Got another power brick. I thought I heard that they weren't doing that anymore. And another charging cable. I'm excited about that. And here it is in a nifty little carrying case almost. I guess it's nice. A little leather protective sleeve. Let's get, oh, that is just beautiful. Front, back. Let's hook on the bandola. Let's see, let's try it this way, see what we think. No, lock in there. No, that's not gonna work. Come on, Nate. Let's break it. Let's try. Oh, that feels much better. And this goes here. My lord, that was too difficult. See if it'll fit around my massive hands. See if we can jump over the other one. So this is the larger 44 millimeter. My original is a 42 millimeter. I cannot tell much difference, and the screen is much brighter. Oh, nice, there's the air conditioner. Okay, so there it is, the new watch, the new phone. Got to call T-Mobile, but you can see the iPhone 10, so it's about the same size as the Plus phones. I showed you that, but that's on the tripod right now. And I'm not going to forget this time, like I have in the past, to take the plastic off the phone, even though my case is coming tomorrow, because it's really hard to hear phone calls when there's a piece of plastic covering it up. But more to come on the new phones. Tune into the podcast. We'll be talking more. I'll try to get a review written up on the new iPhone XS Max, 256 gigabyte space gray, along with the Apple Watch Series 4, aluminum with the pearl seashell, easy for you to say, watch band. Okay, that's going to do it for this unboxing. I'm going to pack this stuff up, call T-Mobile, get my phone activated, get that all set up, and start enjoying my new Apple stuff. Happy Apple Day, everybody.